Hey everyone, welcome back to ABC Hosting. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to install FFmpeg on a Windows server the right way. Whether you're running a streaming server, working on video conversions, or building your own media platform, FFmpeg is a must-have tool. So, if you've been wondering what FFmpeg is and how to install it easily without running into errors, this video is for you. And hey, if you're new here on ABC Hosting, we create simple, practical tutorials on web hosting, streaming, DMCA ignored hosting, FFmpeg servers, and all things related to launching and managing online projects. So, if that's your thing, consider subscribing. Let's dive right in. Now, before we jump into the installation steps, let's take a quick moment to understand what FFmpeg is and why it's so important. FFmpeg is a powerful open source tool used for handling multimedia files like video, audio, and streams. It lets you convert videos from one format to another, extract audio, compress files, stream content, trim or merge videos, and so much more, all from the command line. Here are a few common reasons people use FFmpeg. Video conversion. Convert MP4 to WebM, AVI to MP3, and just about any format you can think of. Compressing videos. Reduce file sizes without losing much quality. Audio extraction. Easily pull audio out from any video file. Live streaming support. Stream video content over the internet using protocols like RTMP. Automation. Batch process hundreds of media files using scripts. No GUI required. It's all command line based, which makes it perfect for servers. So whether you're running a media site, managing a video platform, or building your own streaming server, FFmpeg is basically the Swiss Army knife for multimedia. Now that you know why it's so essential, let's install it. Step 1. Download FFmpeg over to the official FFmpeg site. Click on Windows and then select the latest full build by a trusted third party like Gyan, Dev, or BTBN. Step 2. Extract the files. Once downloaded, unzip the file using 7-zip or WinRAR. You'll get a folder like FFmpeg xx's Win64 static. Step 3. Move to a permanent location. Move that entire folder to C-FFmpeg or any directory where you want it to live permanently. This makes it easier to reference in the system path later. Step 4. Add FFmpeg to system path. Here's the key step that lets you run FFmpeg from anywhere in the command prompt. Right-click on this PC. Properties, click on Advanced System Settings. Under System Properties, click on the Environment Variables. In the System Variables section, find path and click Edit. Now click New and paste the bin path. See FFmpeg's bin. Click OK on everything to save. Step 5. Verify the installation. Now open command prompt and type FFmpeg version. If everything is installed correctly, you'll see the version details of FFmpeg, which means you're good to go. Now FFmpeg is ready to use on your Windows server for any kind of media processing, streaming, or automation tasks. Now, if you're planning to start your own video platform, streaming site, or automated media processing server, and you're wondering which hosting supports FFmpeg and gives you full freedom, let me recommend QLoudHost. It's one of the best FFmpeg hosting providers out there, offering 100% DMCA ignored hosting, powerful servers, streaming optimized environments, and full root access. So you can install and run FFmpeg easily without limitations. Whether you're building an adult site, streaming platform, or any video-based app, QLoudHost has got your back. You'll find the link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I hope this guide helped you understand FFmpeg and made the installation process easier and smoother. If you liked the video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone you think might benefit from this. Don't forget to subscribe to ABC Hosting for more real, informative, and beginner-friendly videos on hosting, servers, streaming setups, and more. If you have any questions or got stuck during the process, feel free to drop a comment below. I reply to every genuine question. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep building.